Hi guys, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are still kicking off the Halloween spirit and we're going to be making quick and easy Halloween candy chocolate bark. It's going to be loaded with Kit Kats, Snickers, Three Musketeers, M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, sprinkles, lots and lots of chocolate, and it's going to be perfect for all of your Halloween candy needs and fixins. I mean, just look at it, it's just so good, it's so perfect. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And don't forget, I'm still giving away 20 KitchenAid stand mixers, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more information. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling so we can get started on some yummy, delicious chocolate Halloween candy bark. I'm so excited. Now our first step is to go ahead and chop up all the Halloween candy we're going to be using. So I'm going to be using Kit Kats, Snickers, and Three Musketeers. If you want different Halloween candies, you definitely go ahead, chop those up, and get them ready for your chocolate bark. And don't worry about them being too small or too big. You just want to go ahead and chop them up so there's plenty to sprinkle all around our bark. Now let's go ahead, scoot that to the side, and grab our big bowl of milk chocolate chips. Now I'm going to be using milk chocolate chips, but if you're not a fan of milk chocolate and you want dark chocolate, use dark chocolate. You want white chocolate, use white chocolate. You want a mixture of all three, use all three. This Halloween bark is going to be so versatile and so delicious no matter what kind of chocolate you use. Unless you're not a fan of white chocolate, then don't use white chocolate, that sort of thing, you know. And to really take it to that next level, we're going to be adding in raspberry filled chocolate pieces to give it that nice, subtle, yummy raspberry flavor. Now we're going to go ahead, pop this big bowl of chocolate in the microwave and start melting it in 30-second intervals. So you want to blast it for 30 seconds in the microwave, give a nice little stir, do another 30, give a nice little stir, another 30, and so forth until you have a nice, creamy, spreadable, delicious milk chocolate mixture. And once you have that perfectly smooth, velvety, spreadable chocolate mixture, you want to go ahead and pour that into your baking sheet, lined with some parchment paper. This way it obviously doesn't stick. And you just want to pour all that chocolate onto that baking pan. Then with our offset spatula, we're going to go ahead and spread our melted chocolate until it has a nice, flat, smooth surface, perfect for all of our Halloween candy chocolate goodness. And you really just want to spread that chocolate out nice and evenly. Now for my favorite part, we're going to go ahead and load this up with all of our Halloween candy, starting with my favorite and all-time classic, M&Ms. So we're going to be sprinkling on some classic M&Ms, some peanut M&Ms, some caramel M&Ms, some pretzel M&Ms. Just a whole bunch of yummy, colorful, Halloween-themed M&Ms. Then we're going to follow that with some Reese's Pieces for some more chocolate peanut butter goodness. And then we're going to follow that with some chocolate crumbles. And then load it up even more with our chopped chocolate candy bars. So we got our Kit Kats, our Snickers, our Three Musketeers. We're just gonna sprinkle them all about and load this all the way up. Now let's go ahead and drizzle on some spooky green icing and just go crazy with it. Do the little diagonals, some zigzags, some circles, just nice little spooky green icing all over the place. And finally, we're going to sprinkle on some festive Halloween sprinkles. So we got some bone sprinkles, some ghost sprinkles, some black and white pearl sprinkles, orange and purple and green sprinkles. Just a whole bunch of yummy, delicious, festive Halloween sprinkles. Pretty much all the sprinkles I can find. And after you finish loading up your chocolate bark, you want to go ahead, pop that in the fridge and let it chill for a good hour, hour and a half. So I pulled our Halloween bark out of the fridge. It's been a good 90 minutes. The chocolate is really firmed back up and went ahead and broken up into good chunky pieces. And we have now our perfect, festive, delicious, oh so tasty Halloween bark. It's loaded up with our M&Ms, our Reese's Pieces, our Kit Kats, our Snickers, our Three Musketeers, lots and lots of chocolate, and spooky green festive icing. It's just all kinds of yummy. And super quick, right? I mean, how easy was that? Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this. If you like baking videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up treats you all like, you all enjoy, you want to see more of. And if you want more tasty recipes, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any yummy desserts I have coming up, including all 151 Pokemon in cake form. It's gonna be so fun. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to enter down below. And once you enter, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Don't forget, if you make this delicious, quick and easy Halloween chocolate bark, or if you make any other festive Halloween themed treats, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.